Hello, hello. It's Rhyme Slim, Rim Slim. It's been some time since I've actually said that out loud. Here with a new drawing. I watched Spider-Verse a while ago, and like everyone else, yes, best Spider-Man film ever. An amazing film overall. Even though it's animated, it still pushed boundaries, and especially in the animation, it did stuff that we weren't ready for. In a sense, like at times it felt like you're actually watching an actual moving comic book. It's like you know how a lot of these cartoons or animations or films would say, "Oh, you're gonna feel like you're watching a comic book come to life." Well, this one it did. It was kind of weird at times. You're like, wait, am I reading a comic book or watching it? So that was nice, that was nice. It's like there's not much to say really, other than repeating what everyone else has said, I guess. But overall, great film. If you haven't seen it, you should go see it. This drawing was for the Adobe Creative Competition that was going on for a while, from October to November. I didn't really finish it on time, kind of missed the deadline. My fault, really. I forgot and moved on, and I think I had like what, a week or so left. Oh, actually a day I think. And I came back to it and I thought it's not like I'm gonna get finished for the competition. I might as well just finish it off anyway. I like the sketch very much. It's that it's not too much, it's not too little, it's just perfect amount of stuff in the sketch. I don't know, it just works for me. I should have just uploaded my old Miles drawing for the competition, but oh well. I wouldn't have won or anything, but at the very least I would have taken part in it, instead of missing out. At first, I tried to add a halftone filter in the drawing. That didn't really work out, I went on Google and downloaded a free halftone brush. It worked perfectly and helped to sort of capture the look from the film. The animation is just so unique. I hope other studios experiment like Sony and the creative team that worked on this film did. It's like push it further rather than just copying what Spider-Verse did. After saying this, I'm really hoping we do get a Superman-based story. Like, sort of multiversity kind of story where we see other versions of Superman within the storyline. So it'd be amazing to see, So first of all, one thing it might do is, it might take away the outlook that there's only this one definition of Superman. Like you can have multiple definitions. Embrace the multiverse, guys. Come on. The background was part of the stock pack that you get. Like if you were to download the stock pack from the Adobe Creative website that was holding the competition. So luckily that saved me from trying to come up with my own. The voice acting of Jake Johnson and Shamik Moore as Peter B. Parker, sorry, and Miles Morales was spot on. Especially Jake Johnson, the way he was voicing this, grown up midlife crisis Peter Parker. It's like never thought Jake Johnson would be so perfect as the voice of Peter Parker. He just seems like the average guy, and you're like, yes, Peter Parker is the average guy who got this rare opportunity, sort of, and became Spider-Man. Guys, you really like if you haven't seen the film, you really need to see it. Thank you, Stan Lee. Since we won't really have this film if it wasn't for and him and Steve Ditko and Jack Kirby with this contributions didn't come up with Spider-Man what back in 1960s. Don't think anyone can try and do what he did again. Like the way his personality was. Like you don't see a lot of that right now. So thank you, Stanley. Experimented with orange, but kind of stuck with the blue in the end. Looks much better. Like although the orange does make the character stand out more because of the contrast of the dark colors, I guess the blue just works. It's not hurting your eyes or anything. It just goes along with the overall image. If you like what you saw, the drawing and the process, press the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.